Tiffy and Mike here from the GeekCast radio network. Alright, folks, it's time to spread that mud. Let's see what we can do about spreading that mud. Nope, Linda, I'm never ready. Alright. Oh, man, I hit the burger. I didn't even see it there at first. Damn. That wasn't what the thing was supposed to be.
I have the power!
Get your ugly squirrel butt out of here. Get your ugly squirrel butt out of here.
Holy crap! Go, 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 go! Sup, ladies? Thanks, friend.
Alright, folks, spread the mud.
Crap!
This one, I'm telling you, folks, they really improved
I have the power!
and took our suggestions on spread the mud. They made it a lot less difficult than it used to be. Go back to some of my earlier videos, my older Tucker Snack Attack videos. You'll hear the anger in me with those.
Talking about?
Okay, this just beat making this a short, but yeah. And because this just beat making it a short, I'm going to make this a longer video and I'm going to play more levels. But seriously, that wasn't that bad. I'm actually going to go to 1358. I'm going to play through level 1358. Because, damn, that wasn't bad at all. That was actually really fun. Oh boy, here we go with this
Sup, ladies?
super vegetable beef thing or whatever the new thing is that they introduced a while ago.
Sup, ladies?
Oh wow, dang, that was quick. Cool. All right, nice.
Are you ready?
Hey, keep up on my grass, huh?
Mr. Turner, you keep off of my grass, Mr. Turner.
Sup, ladies?
See, Mr. Turner is going a lot faster than Randall the Rat was. Look at that. I already have Mr. Turner down by 40%.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Look at this.
Sup,
So sad. The neighbor takes less time than the rat does. Fiona.
who wants some chimkin?
Very cool, very cool. Yes, give me some chimkin. Alright. There we go. Is that 13... What was that? 1357? No, this is that was 1356. 1357, more mud.
Are you ready?
Nope. Alright. Need more boops just in case. Need more sub ladies always. Make sure it's not the wrong one, I should say.
Sup, ladies? Dang, you're good. Sup, ladies?
Well, that did have the desire. That did have the desired effect. Get out of here, you squirrel.
You're amazing, friend.
Huh. Interesting.
Holy crap! I have the power!
There we go. Alright.
Yum!
Yum.
I have the power! Holy crap!
There we go. Haha.
Who wants some chimkin?
Not bad, actually. Not bad at all. 10 minutes of Tucker. 10 minutes of Tucker Snack Attack. Levels X number to X number. I think that's what I'm going to start calling the series for now. When I do these longer videos, I don't know. I'm just fooling around with it. It's just an idea in my head.
Are you ready?
Nope. 15 stuffed things and things and stuff and stuff and things.
Here we go. Boop. Thanks, friend.
Well, they only got rid of 14 of them. Jeez.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Nice. Cool. There we go, folks.
You're
Level whatever to 1358. I forget where I started. It's been 10 minutes. I'm 10-minute Mike. Never can remember what I did 10 minutes ago. Oh, did I start out at 1352? That's where I started out at, I think. Yeah, or maybe, no. I started out at the mud level, the first 1354. That's where I started out at. That's okay, yeah. Anyway, folks, we've got, I like this. We got a long way to the next mud level. So cool. I might actually play the whole way. I might. I don't know. I'm debating. Really debating. Not now, not in this video, but soon, very soon. Maybe the next video. Who knows? I don't know. Talk to y'all in the next one.